All right, so as you can see, the Jeep is not in here anymore. The engine's not on the stand. It's in the driveway. That's because I got kind of not bored of filming, but I felt like I was filming the same thing that I had already filmed before, and it just seemed really repetitive, and I had a lot of stuff going on. So instead of rushing the build, I just kind of skipped the filming. So anyway, it's all put together and it runs and it's all broken in. So she's gonna start it and bring it in here, and if she can start it, then it's good, because she is terrible luck with old cars. In fact, I'm not. Hey, look at that. So I also put a new throttle body on it, and I had a distributor go bad. Well, not the distributor, but the sensor inside of it went bad. But I warrantied it out, and they just gave me a new one. So I don't know if she knows how to drive it. Ah, there you go. It's the one with the D. Oh, you pulled a side thing. Oh boy.
I can't find the headlights.
Here.
Oh, okay, I'm ready.
Got a squeaky pulley in there, but other than that, it's fine. So we've decided the engine rebuild was a Christmas present, so it cost about $1,000. There we go, it's in. So, runs great. Got a new throttle body on there. It's the 62 millimeter one. Worked pretty good. I had to modify a few sensors to actually fit back on there, but works real good. So, again, I apologize for not filming every little bit of the engine rebuild, but I promise it went together, and it went in, and it runs, so. Anyway, thanks for watching, and if there's anything that I missed in this this rebuild, feel free to go look back at the other rebuild that I did about a month ago on my buddy's Jeep. So pretty much identical. So cool. Well, thanks for watching.